अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू द टेस्ट क्रैक पाकिस्तान। आज का लेक्चर नंबर है 7 और पाक अफेयर आज हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे। नीचे दिए गया व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक भी मौजूद है और नंबर भी मौजूद है, आप इस नंबर के थ्रू भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। हर क्वेश्चन में 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं और टाइम उसके साथ गेस किया गया है, तो उस हिसाब से आप अपने राइट क्वेश्चन को आखिर में ऐड करके बताएंगे कि आपके कितने सही क्वेश्चन रहे हैं। तो पहला नंबर क्वेश्चन आपके सामने है और इसमें से आप सही क्वेश्चन को अज्यूम करके टिक करके अपने एंड तक जाएंगे और बताएंगे कि आपने कितने सही सवाल हल किए। दूसरे नंबर क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। हु एडमिनिस्टर द ओथ टू लियाकत अली खान एज ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर? देयर आर 4 ऑप्शन गिवन, यू कैन गेस इट। देयर आर 4 राइट ऑप्शन गिवन एंड टाइम इज रनिंग। अयूब खान, सिकंदर मिर्ज़ा, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, नन ऑफ दिस। द राइट ऑप्शन इज मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर है सी, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। Question number 3. When was the first constitution of Pakistan enforced? There are 4 given options. The right option is 14th August 1956 is the right option of question number 3. Question number 4. The objective resolution was passed by the Constitution Assembly in which year? So right option is C, 1949. The objective resolution was passed in 1949. Which country is located to the west of Pakistan? The answer is, there are 4 given options and option C is the correct option of this question. Let's move to the another question. There's given below a WhatsApp number of Test क्रैक Pakistan. You can join it. Let's move to the another question. 6 number question is, who coined the word Pakistan in the now or never pamphlet? There are 4 option given. The right option is C, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Question number 7. The system of separate electorate was first introduced in Pakistan in what year? Answer is, there are 4 options given. The right option is C, 1985. Let's move to the another question. Who was the chief editor of the newspaper Zamindara? There are 4 options given. Allama Iqbal, Maulana. Right option is C, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Maulana Zafar Ali Khan was the chief editor of newspaper Zamindara. Question number 9. When did Pakistan become a member of the IMF, International Monetary Fund? There are 4 options given. The right option is 1951. D option is the correct. 10th number question. The Marala headworks has been constructed on which year? We have given 4 options. The right option is C, Chenab. 11th number question is, the city of Larkana is home to which medical college? There are 4 options given. Time is running, you can guess it. Punjab Medical College, Dow Medical College, Chandka Medical College. C option is correct. Chandka Medical College is the home of city Larkana. 12th number question is, doab between the Ravi and Chenab rivers is known as Sinsagar Doab, Rachna Doab, Bari Doab, Rachna Doab. The D option is the correct of question number 12. Let's move to the next question. There's a 14th number question. Pakistan Gate is border between Pakistan and. There are 4 options given. Time is running, you can guess it. Afghanistan, India, Iran, China. The C option is the correct. Iran. Let's move to the another 15th number question. Old name of Lahore was? What was the old name of Lahore? The answer is, there are 4 options given. The right option is B, Lavapura. The old name of Lahore is Lavapura. 16th number question is, India made a cowardly attack on Lahore which resulted as a war between 2 countries. When this war broke out, कौन से साल में ये वार हुई? तो आंसर इज 6 September 1965. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज़ करेक्ट. 17th number question is, which incident took place in 1971 which provided India a chance to attack on Pakistan? There are 4 options given, and the B option is the correct. Indian drama of the hijacking their own plan. 18th number question is, which movement of East Pakistan also supported in India War 1971? There are 4 options given. C option is the correct. Mukti Bahini. Let's move to another 19th number question. 19th number question is, what was the duration of civil war in 1971 in East Pakistan? The right option is C, 9 months. C is the correct option of 19th number question, 9 months. Let's move to the 20th number question. Here is the last question of this lecture. At the time of 1971 war, Commander-in-Chief of PAK Army was. There are 4 options given. The right option is General Yahya Khan. General Yahya Khan was the CNC of PAK Army at the time of 1971 war. आज का लेक्चर हुआ मुकम्मल, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. कीप सपोर्ट टेस्ट क्रैक पाकिस्तान. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. तो आज का मुकम्मल हुआ वीडियो, और मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो हमारी पसंद आई होगी. तो किसी भी किस्म का क्वेश्चन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.